E-scooters have been an integral part of the cityscape in various major cities in Germany for more than 2 years now. Fans of other last-mile gadgets like e-skateboards or one-wheels, on the other hand, don't get their money's worth. That's too bad, because e-skateboards like the Acton X1 are a lot of fun. With the DIY e-skateboard kit from Team G, you can even make your own e-skateboard out of almost any deck. For almost every board, the manufacturer Team G has several e-skateboards on offer, some of which can even be found on sale at Amazon. However, the Team G H3 is not a ready-made skateboard, but a kind of do-it-yourself kit and consists of 2 parts: the front axle with 2 wheels and the rear axle with 2 wheels plus motor and battery. In addition, there is of course a remote control, a charger, USB cable and tools including nuts and bolts. According to the China store, the kit even comes with a CE mark. The kit can theoretically be attached to any type of deck, skateboard, longboard without wheels, axles. For such an e-skateboard, however, a cruiser and/or longboard is more suitable than a normal skateboard. For the DIY e-skateboard kit, Team G relies on a 480 WDC brushless motor that allows for a top speed of 25 km per hour. The power is sufficient to cope with an incline of 15%, and there are 4 speed modes that can be adjusted with the included remote control. You adjust the speed with a kind of wheel. A reverse gear is also available. Team G opts for ordinary plastic tires, PU, but these can also be removed and replaced. The axles offer a maximum load of 100 kilograms and are protected against water with an IP54 rating including mechanical components. The integrated battery has a capacity of 93.6 watt-hours, which results in a maximum range of 15 kilometers. Since this naturally also depends on speed, incline and weight, a value of about 12 kilometers is probably more likely for practical use. The battery is protected against overcharging, overheating, short circuits and shocks. It is also equipped with a kind of sleep timer, so that the motor automatically turns off when you pause for longer than 10 minutes. The battery is recharged within 2 hours with the included power adapter. Use in road traffic. As mentioned at the beginning, e-skateboards are currently not permitted, at least in Germany. The regulation for miniature electric vehicles specifies that such an e-mobility gadget must be equipped with a steering or grab bar, which is of course missing in a skateboard. Apart from that, the maximum speed of 25 km per hour would also be a problem, at least for this model. Accordingly, you are not allowed to participate in road traffic with the DIY e-skateboard kit and only ride it on private property.